Let me show you how we can set up a landscape A4 document in Canva. The fastest way is to just click custom size here, change units to millimeters, and for the width put 297 and height will be 210, and that's a landscape A4. You can click here, create new design. It will open a brand new window with our landscape document. If you are in US, you want to do the US letter, go for inches, make it 11 and then 8.5. You will have a US letter landscape document. Keep in mind, if you set up the landscape from the very beginning, at the beginning of the project, it's free. But if you got existing projects and then you want to resize to landscape, you can still do it, but only for Canva Pro. So you could put the new size, same as we just did, custom size. But as you can see, the button got the little crown icon. It's only for Canva Pro. So keep that in mind. If you start a brand new document, no problem. If you want to resize existing one, you need to pay for it. Remember, just go for custom size. And the fastest way, in my humble opinion, is to just put numbers in. Of course, you could also browse and finally find the right size. All right, hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.